Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is peacock border design. Draw the peacock outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. If you want you can use any other colors. If you want you can use color pen, sketch pen, brush pen, marker pen, whatever you want. I am using sketch pen. Draw the feather like this. Here I am drawing small flower. Draw the leaf shape like this. Here I am drawing one more flower. Draw the flower outline like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. Now I am using dark green color brush pen. Draw the outline with dark green color brush pen. Now I am using light green color highlighter. Fill this middle space with this color. Here I am using red color brush pen. I am shading with red color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Now I am using yellow color pencil. Fill this middle space with yellow color pencil. Here I am using dark green color pencil. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Draw the outline with blue color brush pen. Here I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with light blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Same color repeat here. If you want you can use any other colors. Now I am using green color pencil. Fill this middle space with yellow color pencil. Fill like this. Same color repeat here. Here I am using pink color sketch pen. I am shading with pink color sketch pen. Shade like this. Here I am using pink color pencil. Fill this middle space with pink color pencil. Draw the design like this. Draw the round shape like this. Same repeat here. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Same color repeat here. Fill this space with light blue color pencil. I am using red color brush pen. Draw the outline with red color brush pen. Draw the round shape like this. I am using red color brush pen. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is peacock border design. Draw the peacock outline like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Here I am using blue color brush pen. Draw the outline with black color sketch pen. Now I am using red color marker pen. Here I am using light blue color sketch pen. Fill this middle space with light blue color sketch pen. Same color repeat here. Again repeat here. I am using violet color sketch pen. Draw the outline with this color. Same color repeat here. Again repeat here. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon for notification. Here I am using green color, dark green color sketch pen. If you want you can use color pen or brush pen, whatever you want. I am using green color highlighter. This is blue color brush pen. I am using light blue color sketch pen. Draw the line like this. Draw like a frame. I am using scale and black color sketch pen for this line. Here I am using light blue color sketch pen. I am shading with light blue color sketch pen. Shade like this. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Like this. Draw the corner like this. I am using black color sketch pen. Here I am using light blue color sketch pen. Fill this space with light blue color sketch pen. Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. Red color marker pen. Thank you so much. Sketch pen.